CBD oil and bruxism, teeth grinding. Bruxism, popularly known as teeth grinding, is a common phenomenon that occurs in both adults and children. It is often associated with stress, anxiety, sleep disorders, and other psychological conditions. Recently, researchers have begun to investigate the potential of CBD to treat bruxism. CBD, a non-psychoactive compound of the cannabis plant, has gained prominence in recent years due to its anecdotal and scientifically proven health benefits. CBD and its therapeutic potential. CBD oil positively affects various health conditions, including pain, inflammation, epilepsy, sleep disorders, and anxiety. It interacts with the body's endocannabinoid system, ECS, which plays a crucial role in regulating various physiological processes, including sleep, mood, pain, and immune response. CBD and bruxism. There are no specific clinical studies yet looking at the effects of CBD on bruxism. However, there is evidence that CBD may help with common triggers of teeth grinding, such as stress and anxiety. CBD has been shown to have a calming effect on the central nervous system, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. It is also known to improve sleep, which in turn may reduce bruxism that often occurs during sleep. In addition, CBD could relieve the pain and inflammation associated with bruxism. Many people with bruxism suffer from jaw pain, facial pain, and headaches. Therefore, the anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties of CBD could help alleviate these symptoms. Use of CBD oil. The use of CBD oil varies according to individual needs and preferences. It can be taken orally, applied topically, or consumed by inhalation. In the case of bruxism, taking CBD oil orally before bed could help create a calmer sleep environment, minimizing teeth grinding. Summary. In summary, CBD oil has the potential to alleviate bruxism through its anxiety-relieving, sleep-inducing, and pain-relieving properties. In the video description you will find a link to the order page for high-quality CBD oils.